Do your vocal warm-ups sometimes feel a little dry and boring? Do you find yourself rushing through them, or worse, skipping them entirely because you'd rather get right to singing your songs, which are more exciting? Today, I'd like to show you that warming up can be both effective and fun. Our playful routine will leave your voice well warmed up, but also hopefully put a smile on your face. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I am the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month, in our live general vocal workouts, we are celebrating the last few weeks of summer with a theme that I am calling the playground. Every exercise that we will sing is playful, in some way lighthearted, a little silly, and guaranteed to make you smile or maybe even laugh. But don't mistake playful for easy. You will still get the same thorough workout that you always do. I just wanted to take a few weeks to have some fun before we head into a new season of more serious technical work this fall. Now, this first exercise is one that I learned from my voice teacher, David Jones. I have no idea who he learned it from or how he came up with it, if he made it up himself, but he calls it the 5 ugly sisters, whose names are Frima, Frema, Frama, Froma, and Fruma. I have imagined imagined that they are characters in some Wagner opera in an alternate universe, wearing breastplates and horned helmets, stomping around the stage with their spears in hand. But there's actually a method to this madness. The F sound that starts each name gets your air flowing with energy. The rolled R, if you can roll an R, encourages the tongue to release and to get loose and flexible. And at the end, the adds just a thread of nasal resonance, which can be helpful in the middle voice. So it's just a major scale, and you can slightly separate each sister's name as you sing, like this. Frima, Frema, Frama, Froma, Froma. Try that with me. Frima, Frema, Frama, Froma, Froma. There you have the 5 ugly sisters. Our next exercise I simply call the zingazoo. I have no idea where I learned this one. I do not remember. But during all the years that I directed children's choirs, it was an absolute favorite. And guess what? Adults love it just as much. Even though I originally learned it in a major key, I like to give it a little extra mischief by singing it in a minor key. Like this. I'm gonna go slow. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Again, the words may be nonsense, but these consonants are doing some important work. The Z sounds helps us coordinate the start of airflow with the start of voicing, while the NG requires the back of the tongue to lift and make gentle contact with the soft palate. Can you feel that? This is a movement which is a great antidote for singers who habitually pull the tongue down or carry unnecessary tongue root tension. So let's try it slowly at first, but we'll speed up as we go. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Let's speed up as we go down. Here we go. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. What key am I in? I lost my key. Let's do that one again. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga zinga zoo, zinga 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 zing. Phew! We did it. For our final exercise, we will sing what I like to call the frisbee exercise. First, let me show you the pitch pattern. We begin with 2 ascending fourths, V-A, V-O, and then after a third one, we finish with a descending staccato arpeggio on A, almost as if you were laughing. V-O-A-A-A. Okay, I have to come back to you for a second. Now, for the fun part, as you sing the ascending fourth, imagine that you are throwing an imaginary frisbee to a friend over there, or over there. Or if you prefer, grab a handful of imaginary confetti and whoof, toss it high into the air with each upward interval. So these playful gestures encourage a buoyant, expansive feeling that often helps high notes feel freer and less effortful. But just one word of caution, if you are an enthusiastic ultimate frisbee player, don't let your whole body pull out of alignment. We are tossing the frisbee, not ourselves. So let me get you the slide back. All right, here we go. V-A, here we go. V-A, V-O, V-O-O-O-O. Final confetti. Good work. Are you smiling? I hope that this routine has added a few playful exercises to your toolbox of vocal warm-ups. Lasting vocal coordination develops through mindful, deliberate repetition, but there's no reason that it can't include a little fun along the way. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we would love to keep singing with you. Every week, we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and details on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routines, you can subscribe to the channel or use the link below to have each new vocal exercise routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. Finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.